Hello, welcome to my crib. This is Alan Jacobson reporting from my home, but I work for Realityworks out of Eau Claire, Wisconsin, and I've been tasked with, I volunteered to do some hydroponics growing out of our mini hydroponics unit. This is, if you haven't read the blog yet, we've announced this little challenge between myself and Em, another coworker of mine, that she's going to be growing some plants out of the plant lab unit, which is in our building, and then I'm going to be growing some plants in the mini unit here at my house. So what I wanted to talk about is getting started. I have zero knowledge as far as growing with hydroponics. I have grown gardens before, and I've been fairly successful. My wife and I do gardening, and we have a little hobby homestead in northern Wisconsin. And we've had limited success, some good success, I would say, with that garden. And the thought of growing with hydroponics has always been intriguing to me because, you can grow some things during the winter. You can grow things quickly. And I like that thought of maybe growing some herbs throughout the winter that we can use. This is my dog chewing on his bone here. That's Lloyd Boy. Lloyd Boy was featured in the first blogs, so you get to meet him there. He's a great dog, German Wirehair Pointer. Anyway, back to the hydroponics. For me, preparing for this has really been, reading our quick start guide, figuring out, getting some knowledge of the nutrients, which it's not difficult at all. It's a little intimidating. You're hanging up, bud. It's a little intimidating, the thought of, not just using dirt and a can of water. This stuff, you're tasked with mixing, adding measured amounts into a tank, and although I was intimidated at it, with it at first, very simple. There is some guided directions in our quick start guide. So hopefully, fingers crossed, I did everything, measured everything out right. And when I transplant the plants from our germination tray, because these seeds have been germinating for a week now, once I transplant them in here and I do a pH test, hopefully everything is good to go, and then I can just be, I got to keep up on making sure the tank has enough water in it and testing the pH weekly. Sorry about the sirens. This is real life, people. So anyway, thanks for watching. I'm going to give you an update, a few updates here along the way, and hopefully we have success. And I'm hoping for success for Em too. This is a competition, sort of, tongue-in-cheek competition, but hopefully she succeeds and I succeed. And if we have some failures and setbacks, we'll talk about those. And we really want this to be kind of an experience for our marketing team, but we also want it to seem less intimidating for anybody getting into hydroponics. Students and teachers buying these units, hopefully they have a good starting experience and a learning experience. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.